Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on computer casing. This is yet another continuation from the introduction lesson in Unit 1 of the Software and Hardware Fundamentals module. In the world of computers, the casing is more than just a shell. It plays a crucial role in protecting and organizing the internal components of a computer. So, let's dive in and explore the anatomy of a computer case. Let's look at the importance of the computer case. The computer case, often referred to as the chassis or tower, serves as the home for all the essential hardware components. Its primary functions include providing physical protection, supporting cooling systems, and offering a platform for component installation. Let's start by examining the exterior components of a typical computer case. On the front, you'll find the power button, reset button, and various input-output ports. These front panel connectors allow you to easily connect peripherals like USB devices, headphones, and microphones. Now, let's open up the case and take a look inside. The interior of the case houses the motherboard, power supply unit, PSU, storage drives, and other key components. It's essential to understand how these components fit together for efficient assembly and maintenance. The motherboard is the central hub of the computer, connecting all components. Notice these expansion slots. They allow you to add extra features like graphics cards, sound cards, or network adapters, expanding the capabilities of your system. Proper cooling is crucial for the longevity and performance of your computer. Fans, heat sinks, and ventilation are integrated into the case design to dissipate heat generated by the components. Efficient cooling ensures your system runs smoothly without overheating. Neat and organized cable management not only improves airflow but also makes it easier to troubleshoot and upgrade components. Take the time to route and secure cables properly, preventing clutter and ensuring optimal system functionality. Understanding the ins and outs of your computer case is fundamental for any aspiring computer scientist. As you continue your journey in the world of hardware, remember that a well-designed and maintained case sets the foundation for a reliable and efficient computer. That's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next class. Understanding the ins and outs of your computer case is fundamental for any aspiring computer scientist. As you continue